Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Methods of obtaining fingerprints in the living and in dead. In the living persons, there are two methods of obtaining fingerprints. One plain method. In plain method, fingerprint is taken on a clean sheet of paper after touching ink pad. Second, rolling method. In rolling method, fingerprinting pad and the finger are rolled from outwards to inwards and then fingerprints are taken. That is rolling method. Then in the dead.
thank you and thank you for watching.